Hello, good morning. Today we will discuss about contract costing. It comes into your fourth units of your cost accounting syllabus, and the content of the study will be, and the content of the today's lecture will be the meaning and definition of contract costing. Number second is the feature of contract costing. Third is contract costing procedure, and fourth is computation of profit or loss on contract. Next is cost plus method of contract. And next, the matters to be taken into consideration while solving the problem of contracts. That means, what are the various matters, what are the various aspects which have special consideration during which you are going to solve a problem. That means a numerical question of contract costing. Now, came to the point that meaning and definition of contract costing. That means we have to understand that what is the meaning of contract costing. First of all, we have to understand about the contract. That means what is the meaning of contract. As we know, in general sense, contract it is the agreement between two persons on the same condition. That means if A is making any agreement with V that he will do C work and I will pay you for that particular work D amount of money. Then B, there is a necessary to that B have free consent to agree on that point that he will perform C work and receive the amount of money which will paid by A. In this example, A is and A will be contractee, the person who is hiring the contractor is known as contracting, and the person who is going to do the work for a certain amount of money, for a certain amount of consideration, that person is known as contractor. So now come to the meaning of contract costing. Contract costing is a variant of job costing. Like job costing, contract costing is also a form of specific order costing. So both job costing and contract costing are based on the same costing principle. That means principle which are applied for doing costing are calculation of cost during the job costing. The same principle is also applied for contract costing. Okay. It is also known as terminal costing. The contract costing is also known as terminal costing. As the preparation of contract account is terminated or closed after the completion of contract. Means after the preparation of contract accounting, or you can say that when the work will done, then when work will complete, then contract will automatically finish. There are various examples of contract costing. Are the builders are using contract costing, civil engineers, contractors, road making, repairing concerns, and dams and bridge and constructional agency, मीन्स इन जनरल सेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को आप ये कह सकते हैं कि एक पर्सन दूसरे पर्सन को एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क को काम करने के लिए उसे एग्रीमेंट करता है कि आप ये काम हमारा कर दो, आपको इसके बदले में आपको इतना अमाउंट आपको पेमेंट किया जाएगा। देन अगर नेक्स्ट पर्सन या नेक्स्ट बॉडी या नेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या नेक्स्ट इंडिविजुअल सेम कंसेंट पे, यानी कंसेंट दैट मीन्स सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी पे जितना ए उसे ऑफर कर रहा है, ठीक ना, उस अमाउंट ऑफ मनी पे अगर एग्री कर रहा है कि हाँ मैं आपका काम इतने